Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good and are safe. In today's video, I will talk about facial mists. Facial spray or facial mist is a must-have in summers. A few sprays can immediately add moisture and perk up your dull, dehydrated or sun-damaged skin. Besides, facial mist can be used in many different ways. How? I will definitely talk about this as well. But first, let's talk about this neem face mist from Pura Skincare. Pura is an Indian brand that specializes in facial mists. They offer different kinds of facial mist for all kinds of skin. Their products are 100% natural, vegan, and free from stain and harmful chemicals. When you order a facial mist from Pura, it comes in a lovely black box like this. Inside the box there is a full-size bottle of Pura Neem Face Mist. It comes in such a brown and brassy gold pump bottle with a clear cap. All the product details can be read on the back of the bottle. Key ingredients is neem in the form of 100% pure neem leaf extract, and it is free from preservatives, paraben and alcohol. Along with this, there is an information card and two sample sizes of their other mists. I got the Tulsi mist and rose mist in cute glass bottle with pumps. Both are around 5 ml each and I think I can easily spritz them 8 to 10 times. I love a rose mist, so I am happy they included a sample of this. It has a mild rosy smell and lightweight texture. We'll check out the full size of this. They also provide two pouches of cotton pads and I love because I like to use cotton pads with mists and toner. The smell. I love fragrance in a facial mist. This mist, however, has a mild scent of neem leaves which I am not a fan of. It's due to the presence of neem in it. Not very appealing or soothing scent, but I will take it positively because they haven't included any artificial fragrance in it. The texture, as you can see, is watery and colorless. It sprays evenly on my face. It soothes and refreshes the skin but doesn't really have a cooling effect. It makes my dehydrated skin immediately hydrated and doesn't feel greasy or heavy on the skin. It doesn't sit on the surface, instead is lapped up my thirsty skin in no time. For acne prone skin, it does help. I often clean my face with this mist to prevent acne. I do a few sprays on the cotton pads and gently cleanse my face. It really refreshes my skin. Though I don't have acne on my face, but the high heat and humidity make a few zits pop up. This mist calms down my skin, especially if I am on the go or after washing my face. My zits disappear the next day when I use this facial mist. A facial mist is very versatile product. Let me show you the different ways I like to use my Pura Neem face mist. Splashing your face with cold water is not the only way to help wake yourself up in the morning. A few spritz of face mist can have you feeling rejuvenated in no time. The other thing that I do sometimes is to mix some drops of mist in my moisturizer to make it lightweight. It also prevents my skin from being greasy. I love this method in summer. You can do it anytime. Your skin will thank you for providing it with a healthy coat of nourishing ingredients like neem, rose and tulsi. I always apply a few sprays of mist on my face before applying the foundation. If you apply it before foundation, a layer of face mist can create a smoother, more hydrated canvas over which to apply your makeup. A regular face mist will work perfectly for this purpose. It can help by encouraging the foundation to spread more easily, giving you a sheer, even finish instead of looking cakey. You can mix your facial mist in making face packs. It makes the masks more effective. I mix neem facial mist in a powder mask to avoid pimples and acne in summer. Just a few sprays of mist, some water and mix this well. Apply this pack all over your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to dry. Once it dries and feels tight, spray your mist to make it wet. Now wash it off and you will get fresh, soft and healthy skin instantly. Facial mist is like drinking water for your skin. If you feel really thirsty, you are already dehydrated, and the same goes for tight, dry skin. Keep up the hydration for supple, hydrated skin. Overall, I love this product and highly recommend it to everyone, both boys and girls. In my opinion, it will be a great companion this summer. You should surely try out a facial mist of your choice from Peora. I am sure you are going to love them. I hope you have found this review helpful. If you want to ask anything more about this product, feel free to ask in the comment box. See you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.